Lupita Nyong'o is a Kenyan-Mexican actress, the daughter of Kenyan politician Peter Anyang Nyong'o. She was born in Mexico City, where her father was Tocon Driol Have. Among the greatest movies that she has ever acted is the 12 Years of Slave, Black Panther, and now the one in trailer is Black Panther Forever, which comes after the passing away of Chadwick Boseman, who was the main actor of the Black Panther. Lupita Nyong'o, being a Luo, has achieved a lot of awards, actually some countable awards, where you can find details in the link below, which has been one of the reasons as to why Nilotic Gates has inducted her into Nilotic Hall of Fame. She now becomes the third person to join Nilotic Hall of Fame. Congratulations, because she's still alive. It's worth appreciating someone when the person is still alive. That's an African proverb. Now, looking back at the life of Lupita Nyong'o, she's a very hardworking lady, where she can act dynamic parts. She has cooked a lot of awards, including the Oscars of 2014 as the best performance by an actress in a supporting role, Primetime Emmy Awards in 2013, also as the outstanding narrator for episode called Intrigue, then Serengeti also 2019, then again BAFTA Awards for EE Rising Star Award nominee 2014, and a lot more awards, including Saturn Award nominee of 2016, and just very many awards. Let's check out one of Oscar's nomination and award.
And the Oscar goes to Lupita Nyong'o.
When I look down at this golden statue, may it remind me and every little child that no matter where you're from, your dreams are valid. Thank you.
Yes, no matter where you're from, your dreams matters. Not this issue of arts better than science, science better than arts. Will not help us. I ever heard things where Lupita Nyong'o had one thing at the back of her mind, that one day her dream will come true and she would scoop awards. And indeed, her dreams have come true, and she has written all her painful stories. She borrowed her last name from her father, Peter Anyang Nyong'o, who was born on the 10th of October 1945. He was a Kenyan politician and an author, who is also the former governor of Kisumu County. He is a former Secretary General of Orange Democratic Movement. The current Secretary General is Edwin Sifuna. Professor Nyong'o was the acting party leader from March 11th until late May, when Raila Odinga was the United States and was elected to the National Assembly of Kenya in the December 2007 parliamentary election, representing the Kisumu rural constituency. He was the Minister for Medical Services and previously the Minister of Planning and National Development. He is currently serving as the Governor of Kisumu County after serving as the Senator from 2013 to 2017. He completed his undergraduate studies at Uganda's Makerere University.
Oh my goodness! I did not know that!
Lupita Nyong'o was mentioned in Christian rapper Lecrae's song Nothing from his 2014 album Anomaly, and was referenced by Jay-Z in his verse from Jay Electronica's song We Made It, She was also mentioned in the parody song American Apparel Hard Girls by the drag queens William Bailey, Courtney Act, and Alaska Thunderfuck. Nyong'o was mentioned in the 2015 song Nera by Kenyan Afropop band South Soul. Rapper Nicki Minaj mentioned Lupita in her verse on ASAP Ferg's remix of Plain Jane and was referenced by rapper Wale in his song Black is Gold. Singer Beyonce mentioned Nyong'o in the single Brown Skin Girl from the Lion King soundtrack. Nyong'o was included in Derek Blasberg's 2013 Best Dressed list in Upper's Bazaar. In 2014, she was chosen as one of the faces of Muyo Muyo's spring campaign with Elizabeth Olsen, Hailey Fanning, and Bella Heathcote. She has also appeared on the covers of several magazines, including New York's Spring Fashion issue and the UK magazine Dazed and Confused. In April of that year, she was named the most beautiful woman by People and was named the new face of Lancome, making her the first black woman to appear on the brand. Later that November, she was named Woman of the Year by Glamour. That is all for Lupita Nyong'o, a Luo by blood, one of the true example of women's right emancipation. The blood of the Nilotic ran through her veins. Congratulations to Lupita Nyong'o for the official induction into Nilotic Hall of Fame. Until next time, get prepared to meet the likes of Jokobulanya, Boss Mikutim, Chinua Achebe, and many other Nilotics around the world, including Divock Okoth Origi, who was a former Liverpool player. Bye-bye.
I'm focused, I know exactly what I need. Let me hope I did not realize it late. But life ain't easy, food don't come on a silver platter for y'all to eat. You gotta struggle day and night.